Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to divide. So for example, I will create number in here and then I will set like into this point. Now if you want to divide this value with this value, you can type equal and then select this value. The next you can press slash and then click this value. You can press enter. So it will be divide between these two objects. To copy this formula, you can click these icons and then you can scroll down to the bottom here. So I will divide again, divide these points with this value. You can type in here. You can select the objects and then slash divide by using this object and press enter to apply. So that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial how to divide. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.